Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. It's a bit of a cloudy day today and it's windy outside, but we'll be making spinach frittata for breakfast. So let's go. Alright, so I'll be using these ingredients for the frittata. I have here 4 strips of bacon and 2 tomatoes, 1 red bell pepper, about 60 grams of spinach, half a cup of milk, 10 eggs, and half a cup of cheddar, and half a cup of mozzarella cheese. Also, you can add pepper to taste. I also have here chives for garnishing. Okay, so let's prepare. Let's get our eggs and milk mixed with pepper, right? The oven for about 175 degrees centigrade. We'll be cooking the bacon. Alright, so now that the bacon is all done, we're going to put everything in a pan where we will bake this. So we have the egg mixture, and then I'll put in the spinach and cheese and bacon and tomatoes. So we have our mixture ready to put in the oven, and the oven is ready also to have this inside, and then we'll cook this for 20 to 30 minutes. We'll just check it from time to time. Alright, so let's have a look. Our frittata is done. Ooh, okay. Alright, so we'll have a look. How much is... Alright, so here is our frittata served. Will you please do the honors? How is it?
Very nice.
That's all, folks, for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Second serving. So I guess that's good. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button, and so you don't miss out on other recipes, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. and hope you guys enjoy. Try this recipe and let me know. Give me feedback on the comments below. Thank you.